Thank you for purchasing BeHear Proxy, a member of the Wear and Hear line of assistive hearing products by Longo Technologies. BeHear Proxy is a personalizable Bluetooth neck speaker that provides audio enhancement for television viewing, music play, and phone calls, as well as assistive listening functionality. Let's open it up and see what we have inside. We have the headset, spare earbuds tray, USB cable, and the quick start guide. More detailed instructions can be found in the online user manual or in the rest of the how-to videos in this series. Let's have a closer look at the BeHear Proxy. Two speakers, one on each side, provide high-quality stereo sound which is easily captured by your ears. Retractable earbuds are also available if you want a private listening experience, such as for phone calls. These can be retracted using the two buttons located on the inside of the neck speaker. On the outside of the right-hand side, there are three buttons. The middle button is the multifunction button, behind it is the volume up button, and in front of it is the volume down button. This is the LED, which shines in various colors to indicate different statuses. The charging port is located on the inside of the right-hand side. In front of it is the power button. Let's move on to the retractable earbuds. The silicone ear tips, identical for right and left ears, come in 4 different shapes and up to 4 different sizes. They can be switched easily, so you can find the most comfortable fit for your ears. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or comments, contact us here.